A ceiling or wall with damaged spac can be repaired easily. I will show you how to do it. For this, you will need a spac spray can. Spray the area you want to repair with a spac spray can. You can buy the spac spray can ready-made at the store. Make sure to shake it well before you start spraying. I first smoothed the area a bit with plaster to level out any depth differences. Spray several layers on top of each other so that the texture of the old spac blends with the new repair. I would greatly appreciate it if you give a thumbs up so I know you want to receive more tips like this. In some cases, you can get away with only using the spray for very small repairs. In this case, I'm not using plaster but applying enough spac directly to the wall. After it dries, you can paint over the spac to match the color of the wall or ceiling. Many people ask if they can skip painting. However, you might notice a sort of spot if you don't paint. So only skip painting in emergency situations where the damage is a dark spot. But in most cases, I recommend doing this before painting. If you don't like the wall's texture and prefer a completely smooth finish, you can do this yourself as well. In the video you see in the middle, I'll teach you all the steps on how to make a textured wall perfectly smooth. Subscribe to my channel right away if you want to save money in the future, and give me a thumbs up if you appreciate my work. I'll see you in the next video on achieving a smooth wall.